Hello, my name is Lucia Gutierrez and today I'll show you the new module to do Frozen TMA blocks with the Galileo tissue microarray family. This is the module to do Frozen TMA. It is composed by a chamber where you put dry ice to keep temperature low, a glass column to distribute light into the blocks, and a sensor to control temperature. Moreover, it has two windows, one to open and close the area where you put your blocks, and a second window that allow you to refill with dry ice when needed. The first window has also two covers that can slip and allow you to open them just for the time that you need to do your operation and keep temperature low all the time. Now we put the dry ice into the module. After that, we put the donor and the recipient blocks. We previously did a hole into the donor block in order to introduce the temperature sensor. And now the block is ready to be used by the Galileo tissue microarrayer.
This is the frozen block accessory ready to be mounted on Galileo tray. So before continuing with the program, we insert it in the first slot position or the second. First one will be better. We connect the cable for the temperature sensor. Okay, so the machine is already telling me that something happened. Okay, so I connect, start with assembling, and now we can see that the temperature is minus 14.6. It was before minus 40, but it is too low and the block will be so hard that you cannot take sample. So we wait a little bit until now we are minus 14, should be good for taking sample. So come back to the program. Okay, I tell the system to check the block mounted on the tray. The system will do the check with the scanner until it understands the configuration, that is one frozen block and three stop block. So now I tell the recipient block is the first top position, the donor block is the second position. Okay, I do confirmation. I don't mind for the other donor block, we play only with one donor. Okay, now camera will start and system goes to what is considered to be the first position for the hole. So it's good. This will be the last position, so I do OK. And at that point it is asking me in which way I want to do the overlap with the slide. I do digital overlap because I have a picture of a donor block. Okay, so I select the slide. That should be that one. Okay, now I arrange a little bit to do the overlap. I shift. I enlarge a little bit. Okay. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to do? Okay, now I think it's already done. I've done the overlapping on the slide. So I tell OK. the system tells me to engage the ruler. The ruler is already laser marked on the cover slide. So it is that kind of marks. We have 5 mm for each track. So I do confirmation. I select the first one, 0, and the 30 mm position. At that point, I can with the mouse select where to take the sample. That I will do there and there. We play, I think, with 2. No, only 1. That is only 1. Okay. So I do OK. So the system asks me to do the hole. I move a little bit the cover, just in order to have the place for going down with the needle and do the hole. I think I have done. So I cover to keep the temperature low. I do confirmation. The system goes to the donor block. Again, I slide the cover to have access with the needle. I try to take the sample. It's still a little bit harder to do. You have to push. It's going. Yeah. I try to detach the base of the tissue. Okay. Okay. I do confirmation, and then I cover again, and then the system goes back to the recipient hole position to do the insertion. This is the most delicate part that I do with taking care. And so this is, so we do, I have already done the insertion. I do that with control temperature. I can show you. Temperature was -13. We've done that from -15 to -13. So we finish our little job. I can show you the final results. It looks good in any case. Okay, so this is the array.
Thank you very much for your attention. If you need additional information, please feel free to contact us.